There we go. I'm like,
Hello. Hi, everybody.
ow.
Hello.
And
Hi.
also,
Also.
where's cinema announcement? Yeah. It keeps. Stop inviting me to play Deadlock.
Go set your Steam to offline.
I don't know how to do that.
Go to your Steam friends list and then you click the little drop-down
No,
arrow
that's
and
fine.
set it to offline.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
And I adjusted the features list a little bit. That's like the thing that's like.
Why is this like a hyperlink?
It's just underlined.
I don't like that. Probably don't. Something about this, it makes me feel like it's a link that you can click, and because that's like the standard color for a link. They really don't like that.
Yeah, it's just like the default.
Well, this one doesn't have like an underline.
I'll get rid of that line. Yeah. No, I'll get rid of it.
Can you make like I don't know what the Steam page looks like whenever you're editing. Are you able to like make it a like larger text at all?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that might work better than doing like the underline highlight, just like larger with this color.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah.
I mean, I can. Let's see.
You can.
Yeah, I could put this on.
I would say probably don't, just because of the team name.
I mean, I don't really care that much. But...
Fair enough. But one thing.
And also, yeah, doesn't.
I just wanted to show you something cool that I added, which is so the slime. Here's the slime. If I go off screen, here's the arrow. It is very. I don't know how I want to smooth this because it's like does that, but it does it like
could
really.
You make
fast.
It just point always like from the player. You could just make it point from the player to the enemy.
Oh, you're right. I
Instead of over
could.
his head.
I could.
That would be much better.
Yeah. You're right. I could do that.
Let me change the heading side.
Excuse me. But yeah, this works nicely. I'm happy with this. The what was I gonna say? The only thing that it doesn't have right now, there's no criteria.
Yeah, I can't make it bigger.
What's up?
But I don't know if I can make it any bigger than this. I can make it bold.
Fair enough.
I'll do that.
So one thing that I don't know what we want our criteria to be is, do we just want it to be where it's like, if there's only like 2 enemies left in the level, kind of thing, or like an X amount of enemies left, or?
Oh, there we go. I got it.
Got it.
Sorry.
So
I don't know why it's not.
Where the fuck is my chat? Where's my chat? There we go.
Here, let me save this. It should show up on your end now.
Sure.
In about 5 seconds. Nope. Never mind. It doesn't like that. Apparently. Unless it just like didn't update properly.
Okay, so that is claimed to screen coordinates.
I don't know why it didn't like that.
And then bounds is...
Yeah, maybe you're not allowed to do that. Oh yeah, it is messed up now. That's weird.
I wonder if bounds changes based on the camera zoom. Oh, I forgot to make this a menu. Cool. Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, I guess I'll just make it bold.
It's wrong. Does this... Okay, so that does work regardless of where on the screen it is. Cool. Or what the zoom is. So I can do bounds.center.
There we go. Got rid of the underline, made it bold. Hi Moaz, hop on I almost said hop on Dota. Hop on Deadlock.
Evil.
I mean, Dota works too, I guess.
Nope. Incorrect. I don't actually know if it's gonna be this direction. Let's find out. Oh, incorrect. It is the other way around. Yeah, there we go. So if I make this the regular zoom, I didn't make it the regular zoom. There we go. So now it'll be off screen, and then whenever the enemy gets on screen, it will point not where it is from the player per se, but it's where it is from the center of the screen, which is ever so slightly different, but it's like basically the same.
Can you go back over?
Sure.
Let's try to see. It's like to the left. Why? Oh, okay, I guess because it's off screen.
Yeah. And if it's off screen in the like bottom right, it will like aim downwards more. So it's like where it is off screen.
Yeah. Yeah, that works, I guess. Or then, yeah, it should like fade out once he goes on screen.
I should do that.
A little more. It does kind of just...
Yeah, it doesn't fade out at all whenever it goes off screen, just because, or when it goes on screen, because I didn't have that set up, because I was just like, oh, I'll do a little bit of a for funsies. Right maps of the enemy. Sprites.
I might adjust the short description a little bit as well. Here, let me put Biddy on screen while I'm doing my stuff off screen.
Okay.
Because you're not allowed to see this, haha.
Yeah, this is true. Also, oh, you said after stream, I see. Sorry, Moaz. Why would I want to play single draft? Didn't you get out of LPQ? Are you talking about, like, just for funsies?
Yeah, there you go. I adjusted the short description a little bit as well.
The short description. You should get Moaz to read over that then.
Yeah. Moaz, do you want to translate the store page?
Oh, I wasn't talking about, like, translation. I was talking about, because, like, I'm imagining, like, isn't the short description
Well,
for,
I
like...
know. I understood what you were saying, too. I was saying
See.
just a separate thing.
There we go.
Should I add an award to the game Steam page?
Yeah, you should, like...
It's the Moaz award. It's the Moaz says it's good award.
The Moaz Good
What
Award.
does this even look like? I guess you can literally just put anything in the award section, so you could just do something stupid like that. I think I have seen people do that before.
Shit.
Let's... These comparing the new videos though to the old GIFs, they look so much better. Like, I didn't realize how much better it looks. Like, the art is almost the same, it's just like there's so much more stuff going on. And the cards look nicer. And
Single draft is actually kind of fun. If you say so. It was fun last night because I dropped like 30 kills on Terrorblade, I think. Not Terrorblade, fuck. I was not playing Terrorblade. I don't know why the fuck I said Terrorblade. Because I dropped 30 kills on Razor. Right, was it 30 kills? I think it was like 29. I think I wasn't allowed to get 30 kills because they like left or something. Yeah, 29 and 3. Tragic. Which one is, what's Guardian 1? Go to 2 ranks. Guardian the lowest rank? Or is that... That's Herald. Let me look. Yeah, Guardian's the second lowest rank. Yeah, they just let me stomp around silver for a little bit. Hi, Wilson. Hello, Wilson. Hello. Hi, Wilson. Okay. So enemy indicators work. Yay. Let's kill some of these prints because I see that there are print statements somewhere in the project that I need to get rid of. This one. I wanted to look at the I want to look at the eyeball enemy, and I wanted to make it not terrible. I wanted to play around with the way that it works. So how are you making it explode, and what is it doing? Eyeball manager? What in the hell is this? Me as owner has enemy base, preferably. Health component, health empty, connect die, that's sick. Why is this actually being used anywhere? It is, yeah. I should get you to update your IDE colors a little bit. Because I'm noticing certain things, like certain lines that are unsafe code. If you had the...
I do have that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is.
Red.
Oh, it's red? You just, like, ignore it? I'm like...
Yeah.
Like, I want to say it's, like, half of this function is not seen as type safe, even though it could be. Like... the most minimal of effort.
Yeah, I'm just bad at things like land don't very bad.
And what is this? What is the particles? Is this a G particles thing? Eyeball.
Eyeball manager, it's right above animation player.
Thank you. Okay, this is a one-shot particle. Sick. I can just say that's a node 2D.
Yep.
Remember, these are not happy because this isn't guaranteed to be the enemy stats that you care about. Which is fine. So what do we want this guy to do? Again, so currently, I actually haven't played much with the new eyeball. What does he do?
Bro does not play his own game.
Yeah. Oh, dude, he does explode fast whenever he gets close to you. And then if I were to take like which I need... Oh, he explodes instantly?
Yeah.
I see. I don't like that. Because then if
it feels really weird if you kill him and then he just like sits there exploding. It feels really like that's one thing that we shouldn't change. I don't like that at all.
Well, the problem is that it makes it really bad for melee. Which, like, yeah, you should try to not have him close to you on melee, but it's like you cannot fight that guy with melee, which makes the best strategy, if it was a room full of eyeballs, is to run up to them and then run away. Which might be the best strategy in general for it, but it's, I'm thinking that we could, let's say that the eyeball is, like, here, and it's heading your direction. Instead of you shoot it and it just instantly explodes, instead, it could, like, go out of control and then fly back this way and kind of do like a spinning animation where like the eye rotates for like a bit and then it explodes whenever it lands in like after like a certain amount of time.
Maybe.
Just because I don't know, just like if I wanted to kill this with a knife.
I mean, you can try that.
I guess, yeah, that's one of the big parts about using Git is like I cannot kill it with a knife, you know?
Yeah.
Which is just a little bit annoying. Yeah, I would like to play around with these guys just a little bit. So how are these working? Is it all handled by eyeball management, by eyeball manager? Or
yes, like the exploding is, yeah.
Is there like a state machine on this thing? Or
There's eyeball movement at the top, which handles it moving around.
I see. Okay. What's up with this? Why is this shadow variable based class? Yeah, you're right. That's true.
Okay, well, I will work on. Sure.
Also, hello Titum, how you doing?
Hello, twin.
Big Titum owners.
Let's see. I want to see if we do. Yeah.
How much of this is the same as with Fire Goober? Like, where's its movement at? Movement driver thing? Target velocity, move towards, desired velocity, apply that, knockback, move and slide. I would like to make the nav agent stuff a little bit of, like, the avoidance and shit a little bit more common. Because it seems like, every time you want to add a flying enemy, you kind of just have to copy and paste the same kind of code. If you know what I mean.
Yeah. Biddy.
Mm-hmm.
My door isn't here. There's no door.
Can you take a look at the level and make sure that the door is supposed to be there? And it's not, like, out in the middle of nowhere.
I'll figure it out. Oh, wait, is this... I think this might be using the old thing.
What are we making here? We're making a game. We're doing game dev. Oh, I need to add padding to the chests. Oh, I forgot to do that.
Yeah, this is using the old doors, I think.
Oh, yeah, you can kill everything that isn't the exits node.
Okay.
And then those only need to be moved over to the
Exactly.
right. Like they'll have to
I see, yeah.
You can turn on the grid and it'll make that hella easy.
I got it.
Okay, you got it, twin.
You got it, twin.
Alright, let me figure out. So what is... This is eyeball movement. This is doing a lot of stuff. I guess, so that actually shouldn't matter. It's eyeball manager. What size that this should start to explode? Is it just this thing? Or... No. Oh, yeah, this is part of an animation, I see. Do you have anything useful for me? I thought that I just did something the other day. I don't remember.
Win for gore.
Wow, it's because it was in a state. I remember. Yeah. This had like a target override thing, right? Yeah.
Yes, it is cool blue land. This is true. Hopefully this will work now. maybe.
What if I were to just like...
There we go, it works now. Oh, why is there a boss in shop?
Because I was able to spawn
Doesn't
that.
seem right.
It was able to because of distance away from things, I think.
Yeah, but there's no shop or...
Those are not level specific yet.
Oh, and it also crashed.
Yeah, because the rain is trying to rain at a level that doesn't have navigation. We should add navigation to the shop room.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
Shop room test. Why does it not have navigation?
Because I think that... Oh.
We made it before we had navigation.
Why did I do that? Why did... Hmm? What? Huh? Yeah? That's weird. That's really weird.
Meow. My bad.
Yeah. Yeah, that is your bad.
Yeah. There we go. Nope. Didn't like that one. Oh, do you need to have a... Yeah, you need the navigation.
Why is this not... What the fuck? It's really weird. Whatever. I'll assume that this is because of some weird deferred shit. This needs to happen on like an off time. Okay, I lied. That's fine.
There we go. Now it rains in here. Very cool.
How do I want to tell this that I want this to do weird shit?
Look, I can even fight the boss.
Oh, this has
Very
an
cool.
export variable. Oh. Something just unplugged from my computer. I heard the fucking...
Very cool.
Hit-a-doom.
Let me think. I'm thinking.
Thinking it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, Wilson. I don't know why it did that. I have no clue. I moved my keyboard slightly and it... Pick-a-dunk. That's not even the
BD,
sound
also,
for it
I
on
noticed-
Windows 11, brother.
Bitlytic.
Or,
I
nor is
noticed
it
a
on
weird...
Linux. Sorry, what's up?
Just a weird bug. In the collection page, all of the weapon cards, their damage is 0.
Hmm. Oh, I see.
And I don't know why.
Huh. That's weird. I'll put that on my list real quick. Where's my obsidian?
Okay.
And then I'll take a look at that after I...
Alright, Twin. Oh, and here, I'll publish the changes from the Steam page.
Okay. Damage.
For now,
values.
and then XC trailer.
Okay. Final attack dodge. Attack position. But from the attack's position to the enemy's position or something. we'll multiply that motherfucker by like, I don't know, 10. We'll see what happens. Might be something fun. And then you're gonna do some weird shit, but I don't particularly care right now. Do the eyeballs get knockback, right?
Yeah. They take
Weird.
increased knockback too, because the knockback multiplier is really high.
Let me see what this looks like. This is like gross code. I don't like this, but whatever.
Okay. That works. Yeah. I need to figure out what I want the shop to look like. And I also need to figure out, I mean, the shop will probably be different on each floor, yeah.
You know what would be really funny, actually?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know how Nacho is not based off of Nacitos, despite all of the fucking insane coincidences? What if you made it, like, similar to how, like, his house is with, like, the collectibles and, like, the... You know, like, the, what is the fucking word I'm looking for? It's, like, cluttered, but, like, not in, like, a gross way.
Yeah. I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
We could do something like that.
It'd be kind of funny.
We could also make it that, like, it's the same everywhere, and maybe you take, like, a... Oh, we could make it that you take, like, the train to it.
Oh, to the shop?
Yeah, like, there's a special train station that takes you to the shop.
Why does this guy not get knocked back?
Why does he... Oh, I was about to say, why does the explosion not have particles? But it's because it's,
Yeah, it's... I'm fucking around with some stuff. It's really weird. For some reason, it's spawning at the origin. It shouldn't be. Okay, so he did take knockback that time. So much so that he actually flew off screen. In a frame.
Very cool.
Which was pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so that does a thing. I want him... I don't even know how I would begin to do this with the thing that's going on here. Because it's not like this is like a state machine where I can just like hook into one of the states and do something. So if he is killed by a player, then what? Then... Well, actually... I mean, like, this could just not be a thing. Movement driver is stopped. What does is stopped do? Is stopped. Oh, it does that thing where I see. It slows down. I understand, kinda. What does this drop down to, actually? Oh, wait, this has an issue, actually, because this is based on the amount of frames that it does it for, right?
Bit lytic.
What's up?
I have a question.
Sure, what's up?
how I want to make it so that with the foreground parallax things that I can set the texture in an export, but I want it to update in the editor. How would I do that?
Sorry, what? What? Huh?
I want to have an export that sets the texture. Oh, this is the foreground sprite, but I want it to update in the editor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand. So you need it to be a tool script.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you would just.
I don't know how that works. Though.
Yeah. So you would make that an add tool.
Like what that tool?
Mm-hmm. And then you would add a setter for the texture field.
Oh. How do I do
Colon.
that? I forgot.
Enter. Set in parentheses val. Another colon at the end of it. Texture equals val. Like on that next line, yep. And then you can now do what you want to with the new texture value. You can do like sprite.texture.
Okay, is that literally all I need?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
And then you'll need to, yeah, you'll have to assign that. And then you'll have to close the scene where you have that script and reopen it if you wanted to actually update the tool script.
Okay.
It's like any of the levels or anything.
Oh, so any of the levels I have to close and reopen?
Well, if there's a level that, like, if you wanted to update it in, like, a level, and then, like, it was already open. What did you say?
It's lazy. I said, can I just restart the project because I'm lazy?
I mean, yeah, but I meant more, like, individual levels. Like, it's not to have it be a tool script anywhere. It's if you wanted to change it in a room, and you already had that room open, you just have to close the scene
which I do. That's a lot of work.
It's not. You can middle click the name and then you can hit Control Shift T.
What?
On the tab, like up at the top. Wherever the fuck the thing is.
I missed. Okay, so
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so you can like middle click on the name of the scene up there at the top. Save it. And then you can hit Control Shift T.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait, I actually didn't have it open in there. Anyways.
Let's see. What am I doing in here? Why the fuck am I in there? I was doing this. I was doing this. I wanted to see what the new difference was. So nav velocity minus original, which would give me how much it's changed by. I want to see what it's doing. Okay, it's breaking by... Oh, okay, I see what this is kind of doing. Sure. However... What in the fuck is desired velocity? And where is that set? I really don't know how this avoidance stuff that you use so much works, I'll be honest.
The avoidance? Oh, yeah, it's weird. Or it's not even avoidance. Avoidance is like calculated automatically. It's just the navigation.
This thing where you've got like the velocity calculated, desired velocity, like...
Yeah, I don't quite know how it works either, so yeah. Why is that messed up? Oh, did your texture get murdered accidentally? It's... Oh, did you see Northern Lion played Counter-Strike today?
I did not. Or I saw that you said that he was, but I didn't watch it.
Yeah, he was kind of cooking.
So what does this do if I were to just like have this motherfucker die now? Okay, so he stands still. I don't know why he started going backwards. Why did he do that? What was that? Why did you start going backwards? What? Oh, because the knockback, probably. Hmm.
Oh wait, how does it determine which one's the start room?
It looks for the first room with the type set to start.
Also, it just didn't spawn the boss room, which is really funny.
Yeah. It's the first room with the type set to start.
Okay. I don't know if I like how the foreground looks on this level, but it's okay. It works for now. I'm gonna do custom foregrounds at some point.
What the hell?
What the hell are you? Is that the... Did I pick the right layer?
Probably not.
Now what if we swap this out with that look? Okay.
Why in the fuck is this? Dude, this thing is so weird.
What if, never mind, that doesn't work to save shaders.
What doesn't?
I was gonna try to make them darker and see how that would look, but that's fine.
Does not have a... Wait, do they have a shader on them?
Yeah.
Does the shader not have a tint variable on it?
I don't know where there's... It's not on here. It's...
Oh, it's part of the sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
makes
then I'd have
sense.
to change it for each individual one. It's fine.
Hmm. I don't...
Does fade color override do anything? I feel like it doesn't.
Yes, it does. If it's set, it changes the color of the exit fade into the tile-like thing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So if you were to set that to like white or red or something.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
So I probably should have used that instead of manually changing all of them, but you know, whatever.
Mainly changing all the what?
All the gradient textures in here.
Hey, how did you... What? Did the exits
It's
have
this right here.
Oh, doesn't... Wait. I'm fairly sure... Doesn't that not fuck with the first level's exits?
No, it just make it unique and it's fine.
Oh no, brother. That's why I set up the thing so you could change the color.
Yeah, well, I didn't know that. I
There's
mean, this will
there's the
still work
floor
from,
wide
like...
one, which is the
Oh, is there?
rainy floor
You never
rain.
told me that.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, there's this
Fine.
thing right here.
Like, I'm gonna remember that.
Yeah, there's this thing which is
So if I reset these back, it should...
Should, yes. Hopefully.
Okay.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out for sure.
I like how you're resetting all of them instead of just like one of them. What are you doing? Why are you pasting?
Because this is the regular one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm
okay,
doing.
click on hold up before you go anywhere. All right. Here's what you can do.
What?
Click on the gradient. You see how there's like the 4 like divisions, the like second or third one of those 2. You can click on that. Click on that, grab the color, grab the hex value down there. What? Why would you do that?
Where?
Why would you ever drag the fucking thing you...
What are you trying to get me to do? I don't know what you want me to do.
Press escape right now. Control Z. So do you want that to be the fade color, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this is the old one.
Okay.
I wanted to reset it so it's the regular.
Oh, so you copy and pasted it? You could have just hit the unique arrow or whatever.
I didn't have that.
Oh, weird.
Thing.
Also, a little BMV.
So these look fine.
Yeah.
Level.
Did you change the color on the rainy ones?
Yeah, there we go. They work. Oop, why did it... Okay. I guess I'm fighting now.
I said click on the thing at the bottom with the hex code and you just grabbed the color and dragged it somewhere random. And in the color picker, there's like a thing at the bottom that's just the color of the thing in hex value.
So wait, why did it...
What's up? Why did what?
I don't know. Yeah, this one's start. And then if I go to... this one's also start, but only one of them. Oh, because I didn't assign the enemy spawn handler, but we don't actually want that. So we want you to be the start. Kill the enemy spawn handler. We should make it that even if it does have an enemy spawn handler, it doesn't actually spawn them unless it's like an enemy room.
Why would it have?
Because all the rooms have an enemy spawn handler by default, I think.
Do they? They might.
The base room component does, or base room,
yeah.
whatever we call it. I'll try that.
Yeah, we can add that.
And honestly, just thinking about trailer stuff more, I think the song that we have that's in game right now actually wouldn't make terrible trailer music.
Maybe. I don't know.
I mean, I don't know what better there is, though.
I mean, it's mainly just like it's a good song. It's like because usually for a trailer you'd want something that, like changes over time a little bit, I guess, with like more like coordination with the trailer.
Maybe a little bit, but oh, the rain sounds stop when you let's make this not pausable. Guess I could just change it in here.
What in the fuck is this doing?
How do I change that?
You can set their process mode.
Oh, process, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think there's gonna be any. It's not gonna update in real time. I don't think there's any cases where it's gonna be trying to loop stuff, and we don't want it to when you pause. And maybe now that I think about it, I don't know. Figure that out.
Okay, I'm gonna give up on fucking with this eyeball thing, and I'm just gonna
That's
call
probably a good idea.
it. Because
It's still pausing.
there's a lot of random things in it that are like the whole state machine of the eyeball is handled and like split between two components, kind of. Okay,
bit,
let me
yeah.
let me look at my list. Damage values are broken like collection page. Let's fix that. Display card. You just grab the values from it, don't you? I thought. You hella do. So is the issue that damage isn't set?
See.
Is this called at all console.print and people.
We could also just try adjusting like the acceleration and stuff on the eyeball and see if that makes a big difference.
Okay, so there's nothing yet. If I open this up, there's 6 prints. If I go here, okay, there are. I think it's just the damage isn't being set, which I guess makes sense. However, the mana is being set and the charges are being set, so I don't know why. Oh, duh.
By the way, I added the UFO as a card. It doesn't do anything, so don't try to use it. I just added it so that way you can like see it in the list of cards for the Steam page.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Wait, what? Who is... Oh, that's funny. I didn't know that. Oh, I guess I did. Actually, damage is stored as a float on the card, which is very funny.
Hmm?
What's up? Where'd you crash Oh, progress
oh,
bar shit. Oh, because I didn't.
bus uses the progress
Fuck,
bar.
yeah, I forgot to change it to use the shader now.
Okay, well, it's... That's okay. Yep, so that works. I'm going to close all scenes because I have too many things open.
Okay, there we go. Damage is there. Cool, so that's fixed. Only spawn enemies in enemy rooms. Let's do that. Although, well, actually, yeah, that's probably fine. Room base.gd, yeah. Let me make sure this doesn't break something random. The answer is it probably will. As is many things, always. So let me kill these prints. Oh yeah, that was a to-do that you wanted me to look at. Oh, I should also make the enemies drop through platforms at some point, huh? Specifically the fire walking around dude. Yes, 6-0 gravity card. Does this work? Did I make this work yet?
We're both so good at like starting working on things and then like just forgetting about them.
Because there's so many things to work on.
Yeah, this is true.
Why the fuck did that? That's funny. Also, there's no way you can't make it up here, buddy. Oh, you hella can. Oh, you can't make it further, duh. There's an enemy on my screen. Oh, it's the slime that's over there, right? Yeah. Oh, there's two slimes there because I made them hella stupid. So boss will break because he's broken, but does the room break? The answer is no. Okay, sick. I'm gonna call that fine enough for now, for the time being. It looks like enemies don't, that they're all spawning correctly. Shit. What was the thing that I wanted to do just now? Look at my thing. The worm guy? What would we want to do with the worm enemy? Do we want to keep him do we want his attack to be kind of the same, just be better indicated?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. We can do that.
The main thing is, I'm trying to think about his attacks now. Making it more clear, and also, we probably want to restructure his scene because it's so bad, because I made it.
Yeah, I know, I can see this over here, though. This is insane.
Guys, look at this. Oh, you can't see it because my music is in the way. You can still see it. It's so big.
It's actually
that you
so
can see
insane to me that this is the fucking way that this is set up. Man.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. Let me try something really quickly. I just want to give this guy an indicator that's in front of him. Did we also want to change the indicators to be on that global flashing time, like what Void Igo does?
Yes, I would. That would be nice.
Okay, can do that. Why is there a box there? Who are you and where did you come from? It's just a box. Who are you? Oh, okay, cool.
What is a rival?
What is a rival?
Meow.
Let's see.
Meow.
Meow. Type shit.
Meow, meow, meow,
Okay,
meow.
that's enough, buddy.
My bad, gang.
Yeah. It's kind of true, honestly. Is your bad gang? Gangathy. Genghis Khan. Oh, that looks weird with no tracks on it. Is all.
Bizarre.
I probably want this to actually start like here. Yeah, why can't I? There we go. Is there not like a snap thing that allows me to snap this? Whatever.
Oh,
Hi, Callie.
Hi, Kelly.
Hey, sweet girl. She's on the bed behind me, looking at me.
What a goober.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. That, like, jump scared me. I forgot that you can change the animation length by, like, clicking on the timeline now. So if this is attached to the guy, then... Yeah. Yeah. I forget how do I make this show. Do I call a method on this at all? Or do I just, like... Does it just work? I don't remember what this does, so we're gonna find out, I guess.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, no, that's kind of terrible. Last cheap. I don't know how to make things look good sometimes. And by sometimes, I mean like most of the time.
That's where I come. Kidding, I don't know how to make things not look bad either.
Let me also make these use the global timer thing that I was talking about. Attack indicator.gd. did I spawn that guy as if he's for the one that I wanted to be in here? Get out of here, dude. Worm time. Oh. Okay, maybe eyeball guy's actually fine to use because they're both fucked up for some reason.
Break it.
No. Maybe.
No.
Maybe.
No. No. Alright, win. I see how it is. Win.
It goes transparent for some reason.
Hello, foul mill.
Ooh, I know what's going on.
What is that little guy dancing around? Rosa wiggling.
Chibli, Chibli. Sorry.
Alright.
The motherfuckers never watched fucking Chibli.
Yeah, I've never watched Ghibli. Why would I do that? Kinda gross.
Okay, that looks like that might work. Probably. I don't know how often we should make it flash though, and I also don't think this updates in real time. Okay, maybe it does. It does, yeah. Oh, that does work, I guess. I don't know if that's what we like, but it works. And then worm guy, worm man, dude. What the hell are you doing? Do I remake Worm Guy today? Like, what is this even doing? Why is this a scene?
Honestly, I don't think so. Because right now I want to focus on, like...
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I'm obviously focusing on stuff ready for the trailer.
What should I focus on? What do you feel like is most important that I could get the most mileage out of? That's like it. How long does this guy aim for? He aims for like 3 seconds. You know what, dog? Hold this fucking 3-second wind up time. Oh, that was cool.
Do you have the melee enemies going through platforms? Because you could add
I
that,
did
maybe.
not. Yeah, I can do that.
And honestly, you could just make the indicators nice for all the current enemies. So that way it'd look nice for a trailer.
Yeah.
If you haven't yet.
Yeah.
I mean, I like that. That looks cool.
It looks cool except for the way that it... I really don't like the disappearing part of it. I might just make it like...
Yeah.
Very quickly, like just pop out of existence instead of doing this fucking weird ass sliding thing I've got it doing.
Yeah.
Like, just like collapse yourself.
I would try having it slide the other way. Because like that would make logical sense of like he's moving forward, so the back end of it would go
I see, yeah.
in.
Mayhaps. Let's try it.
So if you make it the right speed, the end would stay stationary and the front would come forwards.
If I make it the right speed. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. Because then I have to time it with the dash going through.
Yeah, just move it back a little bit. The whole thing needs to go back.
Timing.
No. The middle part needs to go back. Yeah, there you go, Twin. I mean,
Oh, that was a very cool animation thing. Give it a second.
that was a very cool animation. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's fine. I do kind of want to make it shrink as well, though, so that it shrinks down. Mayhaps. Let's see what that looks like.
Try that.
Just curious. Hmm.
I think it looked better before.
Yeah. So is it set?
I can also adjust these as well if you don't want to. As long as the animations like exist. I really like how they look
Oh,
now.
there we go. Yeah, I think that's better.
Dang, Knuckle Sandwich, I forgot about that game. I
There.
forgot that's the music we're listening to. I haven't actually played it, I just really like the music because it's so goofy and weird. Oh, my bad, I should have had Biddy on screen while
If,
he's messing with the
If you want to take a look at this, by the way,
indicators.
I made it so all
Mhm.
of the indicators flash at the same time.
Oh, that looks so nice. That looks so much better.
And the color can be changed
It does look a little bit like a Void Igo ripoff, but I don't care, it looks good.
a little bit, yeah. Like we could make
I
it
don't
gold
mind.
instead if we wanted.
No, I think it's okay. It works, like, I don't see why we need to change it.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
Like,
the
it's
gold.
not like they copyrighted red and white flashing.
Actually, the gold does look kind of cool though. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
They're both cool.
What is it with people in our chat and having random weird emojis?
What do you mean random weird
Emotes.
emojis? That's like the
Emotes,
entirety of
whatever they're
fucking
called.
Twitch. That's just like the default.
Okay, well, I don't use Twitch, so
I'll be back really, really quickly.
okay, Twin. Wait a sec.
Okay, I'm back. Let me find the... I'll do Fire Goober spawn. I'll have him also use the enemy indicators rather than the line thing he was doing. Is this the line that he was using? I don't know. I wonder what this enemy indicator, like what would his indicator even look like? I kind of hate that he can start charging at you and then he can just kind of cancel it sometimes, and I don't know when or how that works. But it's like weird. Do you know what I mean? Do you see what I mean?
Wait, what?
This guy can sometimes... He can sometimes just cancel his charge. Like he's charging at me, but then I go here and it stops.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I think it's if you go out of view, he sometimes does.
It's
I
sometimes
thought
though.
Maybe you added that. Maybe I added that. I don't know.
I don't know. I wonder...
Either way, yeah, we can probably just get rid of it and make his charge like faster or something.
Yeah.
Maybe you could tweak him if you want. That's something that probably wouldn't be hard to tweak
No.
because that's
hopefully not.
mostly just changing numbers.
Yeah, and he actually has states and things and such.
Mm-hmm.
A line ray? What the fuck is line ray? I don't know. I don't care. What the fuck is shape? I don't know. I don't care.
Worry about that.
I don't know. I don't care. What would his indicator look like? Probably also just a rectangle, if we're being honest.
Yep, I think that works. Just like longer because he's probably going to go very far.
Yeah.
I think somewhere he does detect how far he's gonna go. So you could maybe try to make the length based off of that, but that would be too far. I don't know.
Yeah, he has some shit that he does, but it's not...
You don't have to. You could just do it set amount.
Yeah.
And that's fine. Because, yeah, that would be weird, because then if he's, like, right up against a wall, it would be, like, really short. And I don't like that. I think it should just be a set length.
Excuse me. Yeah.
And we can always change that later. I just want to have something.
Ew. 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 That looks gross.
What did you do?
It's something gross. It's fine. Don't freak that out.
No.
It just looks...
I'm very worried about it,
No, dude. Don't be worried about it. No, dude. Don't worry. It's chill, bro. What's your favorite Napcast song? Oh, there's my desktop. Okay. All right. Well, we get to play the game now. All right. Your screen is going on screen as I untangle my mess of everything. Because Windows really likes to put... Yeah, there we go. So Discord went to my main screen, which was cool.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah. Not that there's anything on there I don't want people to see, but
yeah,
I just would rather...
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, no, there's nothing terrible in there. It's like I just gotta click through all of my windows and look for anything that I need to pull everything back up. Because Windows doesn't like keeping things on the same monitor. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're back. What's your favorite Napcast song, though?
I don't know. I did notice that they I was looking for songs to add to my playlist for streaming, and that was some Napcast songs were in there. I didn't add them because it was just recommended. It wasn't like when I was actively looking for it. I just noticed that they were recommended.
Napcast fucking sick.
I probably should add some, but
because
I mentioned they're good, given that you like them and you sometimes like good music.
Yeah, only sometimes though, not often.
Only sometimes, yeah, not often.
Thank you for
Only
saying.
Sometimes.
Dude, this motherfucker loves saying exactly the same thing as me like a few times.
I do. I'm good at that, actually.
Has echolalia as fuck. And that's a sign of autism. Just letting you know.
Okay.
It's a symptom of autism? Not a symptom. Symptom's the wrong word. Kind of. But like not really. It's like kind of the right word, kind of not the right word. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Twin. Yeah, twin. Winity Jones. Huh? What are you talking about,
Huh?
dude? This is so weird. I don't know why this, like... This lines up perfectly. And fine. Oh. Where the fuck did that keyframe go? Oh, welcome back. Where's that? Passive star, what the hell? Whenever I click on a keyframe, it disappears from my timeline.
Oh, that's pretty fun.
That's actually really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Whatever. Oh, I'm stupid because I didn't set this back to 0. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I found it. Kind of. Charge at me, you beast.
Yeah, he definitely needs to be faster. Even with the indicator, he feels so slow.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, you mean charge time wise?
No, like his speed, like how fast he moves. I mean, maybe the charge time too, but...
That's funny. He slams into a wall, he keeps going in the slope direction despite the indicator doing the indicator thing. Let's see. How easy was it to change his speed? I don't remember. Did we include this in the stats?
Maybe?
I don't believe so. I think this is
It's
the-
probably movement speed,
I
yeah.
don't think so, because I think that's his generic. Just
Oh,
like
yeah, that's that speed, yeah.
attack range is kind of funny, but assuming it's this.
Attack speed, yeah, that's probably it. That's almost certain it, actually.
Drop leather. Sure. Rise 5. Yeah. Let's set this to like 2500 and see what this looks like. It might be funny. Ooh.
Yeah, that's like way nicer looking. Yeah, I like that. Should be like scary. We should probably make it that if he hits a wall though, that it gets rid of his hitbox, at least.
It should. Ouch. Damn.
Yeah, exactly. Scary now.
I guess I can see whenever his hitbox is active, actually. Also, what the fuck is doing this print statement? Somewhere. It's me from... Yeah, here we go. Found it.
Bro was about to blame me for it.
No,
It's
I knew
crazy.
I knew it was me, because it was too much, like, number. You wouldn't be printing a number like that.
You're right, you're right, you're right.
This motherfucker only prints text. I print numbers.
Yep.
And that's the main difference. Can you fucking hurry up and charge at me, please? Oh, I should also disable his shapecast, so I don't want to see the shapecast.
Yeah, it's more like Napcast.
Yeah, so if he hits a wall, the hitbox turns off, because it's based on how fast he's going.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, I like that then.
This is so stupid. What if whenever he dashed, he like bounced off the wall a little bit?
We could totally do that. I mean, that's kind of like what the bullets do in Genshin, or not? Yeah, the fast bullet guys, you know, where they go like boing and get kind of stunned.
What the fuck? Wait, did this motherfucker's moving so fast now all of a sudden? What did I do? I did something wrong. Oh, because I'm calling move inside twice in here. Also, where the fuck is this dash? Is it a separate component that gets added? It very well may be. Oh no, it's not. Weird. Oh shit, dude. That's honestly really
It would honestly
funny.
be kind of funny if we like turned him into a rigid body or something, and he just kind of like bounces around with physics and then like recovers.
Yeah. And then he shakes it off a little bit and starts flying again.
Yeah.
Honestly? Wait, no, I totally could, because we have a generic, like, just move like a physics body controller that we can attach to things for a certain amount of time.
How do we?
Wait a minute, yeah, we have a ragdoll driver. Ragdoll. Wow, that's fun. That's actually so fucking cool. That almost works. Dude, he's so good at writing himself back up.
That something's definitely not right there. Why does bro have no
I know what's going
gravity?
on. Wait, no.
Visualize the worm's particles are gonna be messed up on other levels when he like digs through the ground.
What do you mean? Oh, because yeah.
The eggs are like red.
Yeah, we can change that. It's fine. It's like easy enough to change.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it shouldn't be too hard. Why are my drop 2 platforms not working?
Do you remember whenever we had to remove Rapier as the physics engine because of drop through platforms?
Yeah, that was very funny.
That was a good time. I'm glad that we did, though.
Yeah.
Because Rapier had a lot of issues with the Godot integration, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yup.
Why do you not work? Oh, probably because I forgot to set the collision layers to actually do anything. Very nice. Good job, me.
You're... Why the fuck does he sit in the... Sometimes it ragdolls and sometimes it doesn't, and I don't understand what doesn't cause it to do that. Oh, is it because he has no gravity? No. Yes, maybe it is. Does he have gravity? Did we specifically say you don't have gravity for some reason? No. Oh, I kind of know what's going on. I see. It's because he doesn't leave the state all, like, consistently.
Alright, I'm gonna put you on screen. I need to run to the restroom real quick. I drank too much Dr. Pepper earlier.
Damn. Evil.
As per usual.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Good luck. fix this. I guess returns a boolean, right? Yeah. If target movement slide and is dashing. Guess I do that. Hmm? Okay, so I think what's happening there is annoying shit. Okay, that works. That's fun. That's cool.
Okay, I'm back.
Check this out, JW.
What am I checking out? Beautiful. Now probably just want to make him rotate.
How do you want to make him rotate?
Probably just like randomly, based on like the.
Ooh, that was funny. Actually, I just noticed something evil. Which is his hitbox is active the entire time because he's moving fast enough. Not the entire time, but
Not 100% measure on the rotation. It's not a rigid body, right?
Nope.
So you can't just like make it automatically do that. Okay.
no, that's just him. He just
Yeah.
his legs get broken for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm not sure there's be an easy way to calculate like the rotation based on like.
Ouch. Damn, bro, he just smacked the fuck out of me on
What
his
he's doing.
drive-by.
I don't know.
Evil.
Because I mean, obviously, with like a rigid body, you just rotate automatically and do stuff, you know. But
Yeah.
we don't got that here.
I need to figure out why the hell this motherfucker is canceling his charge up every now and then, because he shouldn't be allowed to do that.
I'm pretty sure it's something with line of sight. I know.
It-
I'm pretty sure that might be what the.
100% is line of sight related, but it's not like line of sight, like, promised. You know, like, you can see that, like,
Yeah.
sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And some. Motherfucker! Dude, he hit me with the Lorena dash attack. Holy shit. He came down from the
I don't
top
know
rope
what
with his
Lorena's
fucking.
dash attack is.
It's the one where she, like, dives off the stage with her elbow out.
Oh,
And she
yeah.
just a hitbox the entire time she's falling. Oh, what the fuck is that name? Hey, Titanic Cunnilingus, how's it going? You're completely new to game deving. JW, you don't even know what that word means. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm just laughing because
Okay.
you're laughing. I'm
Um,
just assuming it's funny, you know.
yeah. Saw some of the videos on Godot. We're wondering how optimization works for game deving and whether Godot lends itself for it. It does. So Godot's optimization is really good because you have a couple of places that you can figure out what the issue is. Like our game had some optimization issues a while back, and it was really hard to figure out what the problem was, except we have a couple things that we can do. So the first thing is, like, you want to find out whether it's CPU bound or GPU bound, obviously. Like, those are the two main, like, whether we're bottlenecking on graphics or on logic. So Godot offers a way to figure that out in the form of the profiler. So if you go into debugger while you're running the game and go to profiler, well, first off, you can see these graphs, which are really handy for showing how long frames take to process. So if I uncap my frame rate, you can see that I'll reach pretty high frames. And so if there's anything that I do that ends up like killing the frame rate, like I can find out if spawning all of these dudes ends up killing the frame rate or not. And the answer is kinda, but not really. Like a little bit, kind of. But you'll know that if it's a CPU bound issue if you go into the profiler, or I guess first if it shows up as an issue here. But you can find out where that issue is if you hit the profiler. You can do things in your game, and then once you're done, you can stop the profiler and you can take a look at the individual frame times, and it'll tell you like what caused the spikes. So if there was like a script that was running a lot, like here it is, you can see like what's causing the most issues. So right now I can see, because I have 235 dummies on screen, the most common like thing that causes issues right now is the physics process function of this thing, which fair enough, that makes sense. I wonder what that's doing. Idle time otherwise. Okay, yeah, so we're setting a label every single frame. Maybe, you know what, let's optimize that really quickly. I could probably do this. If idle time is less than recent time, that otherwise we do that once, and then like I could do something like set physics process false, and then also turn that back on here. So like so, I think. I would imagine that would still work. Let's find out. Let's find a dummy that I can actually read the damage of. 3. And then... oh, well that's... whatever. That does some weird shit. Whatever. But you can see now, like, that function call is, like, not on here anymore. So it's really nice to be able to figure that out. But also, the biggest issue with our game was rendering. And I can show you how that looked if I... oh, actually, I can show you that here. So I was under the visual profiler. You can turn that on, and it will tell you how long it takes to draw a frame, which is really nice. It's also really nice to be able to tell what actually makes a difference. So taking a look at the remote tab, I can take a look at like what we currently have in the scene. And this may be a little hard to read, but it's basically just like the higher the spikes are, the more the frame time is. But if I go ahead and say like, turn off the rendering of, say, let me go in here really quickly. Let's turn off the rendering of all the tile map. Did that make a notable difference? Kind of. You can see that there's like a little drop here. It's not noticeable, but a little bit. Okay, so let's try leaving the tile map on and turning off, let's say, the background or the foreground. Not a really noticeable difference. Let's turn off the particles. Not really noticeable. I believe the one that did make a big difference is turning off the background. Maybe not. Oh no, there was a decent jump here. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the CPU time. There's a decent jump here. So if I turn back on the background, which is this node, you'll see that there's a decent jump, which tells me that the background was causing lag. And what we ended up having to do was turn down the render scale of the game. So if I turn this down, like so, you'll see that there is a very large difference. So this is our baseline on medium, and then it jumps back up to here on high. And then you can also pause this and take a look, like this render time is, you know, however much. Looks like 1.7 millisecond, or sorry, 2.3 milliseconds versus 1.3. So it's really nice to be able to figure out like where the actual like bottleneck is. Much better than some of the other engines I've worked with. Also, yeah, no problem. Also, that's so funny. Hold up, what is your name? Ballmill. That's funny that you didn't realize you watched my videos. I get that a lot. That happens a lot. And now I work on a game with JW here.
Hello, Fast Gang.
Hello, Fast Gang. What are you doing over there?
Levels.
Oh yeah, you can rotate scene tiles now. That's fucking sick. That's like a new thing
Well,
this
these aren't
update,
scene
right?
tiles, but yeah.
What?
These aren't scene tiles.
Oh,
but
I guess not, yeah. But you can rotate scene tiles now, which is really cool.
yes. Which is
I don't know why I spawned that guy as if I was ever doing anything with him. Why does that... Why does that stay in the level for so long?
is what? Because the explosion is connected to him, I think. There's something that's connected to him that lasts a while. It might be the...
Viewers, get out of here. They're back, dude.
At least it's not just
Fuck.
viewers.
It's not just viewers. What the hell? Viewers. Please. Not best viewers, not cheap viewers, just viewers.
That one was very funny.
Well, let's see. So let me fix this because that was broken because I'm stupid. Yeah, here's what the current enemy looks like. Let me actually turn off the collision. So fire group respawn looks like this now. So he'll charge up his little indicator, and then he'll bounce all around. I need to... this. Yeah, I need to edit this so he doesn't have a hitbox whenever he's flying anymore. Let's see. Oh, that's actually really easy to do. There we go. That works actually really well. I just made it so he doesn't have a hurt box if he no longer has like the charging as his active movement driver. Because I was smart and made it so that I have a flag on the movement drivers on whether or not it's the one that's currently driving the thing. I wonder what handles this.
Is it possible to make him bounce like a little less?
Yeah, it's possible to make him
like
bounce
slow down more.
Way less. Yeah, what do you want him to do?
Like I think he should more just like stick in the same spot, kind of like fall down. Like I think right now he's keeping a lot of his velocity.
So yeah, I can change it so he
a lot faster.
Yeah, I can make it so he bounces less. I can make it so he just has less of his velocity going into it. Like I can make it so
I think just less of his velocity going into it probably be good.
Yeah, I can make it so it does that. Like he's just got like a...
Okay.
Maybe I should actually... What does get last slide collision return again?
Am I getting invited to deadlock again?
Why do you have Steam not set to
on deadlock? Because I'm lazy.
That's true. Cinematic collision 2D.
Oh,
this actually...
I don't actually know how to set that.
Do you?
I do not want my candles to wave in the wind. Thank you very much.
Have a normal. Get normal. Sorry. Do you have standard stream time dates? Yes, we stream on Tuesday and Thursday and Sunday. Tuesday and Thursday is at 6:30 p.m. EST, or about 2 hours ago. And Sunday streams are at 2:30 p.m. EST, or about 6 hours ago. I should schedule more streams on my channel instead of scheduling them like the day of. Imagine that.
Yeah, I've gotten out of the habit of scheduling them.
I fucked up, and he goes absolutely flying. I actually made him fly way more.
Nice.
Which
Beautiful.
Wasn't supposed to, but it's very funny. Let's see. Let's mayhaps.
Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this room. Try it out and see how it looks in the game. I do think if it's not too much work, some kind of automation stuff for making levels would be really great.
What kind of stuff?
Because I am doing a lot of like auto decorating and like auto placing decoration, and maybe that would be too hard to do.
Well, it wouldn't.
Because like I guess a lot of this is.
It is just kind of tile map stuff, but
yeah.
Like what stuff were you doing?
Because a lot of it I do think through.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was thinking, oh, we can just have it like pick a random spot on the wall and put this, but like a lot of it is like, oh, this one's this distance away from a similar thing. there's a lot of stuff I'm thinking through, going through it. I don't want to be like completely random, but maybe it's fine.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be cool. I don't think it's like a terrible request. I just don't know
I like how this
what
looks. So.
it would be. Kinda.
I forgot to set the navigation. I think.
Okay. What is causing you to cancel out of this fucking thing? How are you doing this? How are you getting out of here? Charging equals false and played up charging? What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
Yeah, I'm happy with how this looks. I added like some wooden drop-through platforms for this area, which I actually like. That's a nice contrast. Actually, I really like this level.
I can't wait to have a level that isn't just made of all the same red. God, I can't wait to not have red.
Need more rooms.
Can cancel.
I'm trying to think what other decorative tiles I could use.
Who is setting can cancel? End can cancel. Sorry, what? This should be getting called like immediately.
I like these banners. I might make like a smaller banner. I don't even know those arches. There's one there. Oh, maybe it's back. Oh, I don't know where it is. Okay, whatever.
Holy shit, he's fucking funny. He's very funny now. Oh, he canceled out of the fucking thing, dude. But he's very funny. I'll give him that.
Yeah, it's definitely better here.
Yeah, why is he doing that? In what world? You know what? How about this? How about this, buddy? That's Korean all of a sudden. Oops. You caught me at a very Korean time of my life.
Fire? Oh, me when the navigation region isn't big enough to fit the whole level. This, oop. There we go.
I actually got this by chance. Didn't know I streamed. Oh yeah, I could put it on the channel description. Yeah, I should also just like schedule the streams more so that they show up. Because I usually just forget to schedule them until we're about to go live, and I'm like, ah, fuck. Also, yeah, working with Godot is really fun. Do you have like a game that you want to make with it, or are you just like you're just making it? Change to true. Change to true, change to false. Oh. What?
So I think I'll make probably only like 2 to 3 rooms for each. Probably don't even need that many for the trailer. Probably only need like 1 or 2. But
You should make 6 or 7.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
This guy's so funny. We need funny enemies. I think that should be like our focus.
This is true. Yeah.
We just need funny dudes. How am I making this guy rotate? What rotates him? Who's handling the rotation? What are we rotating? It's just rotating the fucking thing. I mean, I guess I could do that. Ragdoll driver. Rotation equal false. If rotation is enabled, then I would like to do what? What do I make this do? Like, I could just make the... Target dot rotation equal to target dot velocity dot angle, perhaps? I wonder what that'll do. Will that look stupid? The answer is it doesn't look at all, because I forgot to set the variable to true. Wait, that's so funny. This motherfucker just turned into a salmon. But he definitely shouldn't. Yeah, let's make this a random rotation, actually. 'Cause I think that I would like that instead. See, so I could do something that's like it'll randomly rotate like let's see. I should just say like util.randAssign Man, I want to play Deadlock.
It's only 8:30.
Okay, what about it? I'm allowed to yearn. Ain't nothing wrong with a little yearning.
Alright.
this guy. Did I enable this on? I did. Random rotation is true. If random rotation is enabled, rotational velocity is that. Great. Console.print target dot rotation. Does this actually change? He moves like a pinball. He fucking does, and I love it. I love him for that. Oh, he's like, yeah, no, that's way too low. So like, because that's per second. So let's say he can do like a full flip. Also, you watched a good chunk of game dev and game design videos. As far as you know, attempting to recreate games like Pong, Mario, or other simple retro ones are good practice to step into game dev. True. I'm tapping the sign.
Truth nuke.
I'm tapping the
Sorry.
sign. I'm tapping the sign. Why'd you say truth nuke, you fucking freak?
I don't know.
There's a Jimmy Aquaman with it.
It's all Jimmy's fault. I'm
shit.
sorry.
Shit, my frame rate is still uncapped from earlier. I realized whenever
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I realized because I went to open a new page in Firefox, and it took like 5 seconds, and I was like, "That's weird." And I realized because my graphics card was getting maxed out by Dante's 9. If you do need retro game inspirations, may I suggest the 20 game challenge? This one's a really good one. If you just want like a simple list of like going from like the simplest to less simple and so on. But you can really start wherever you want. But if you need like a direction, this one's really good. The 20 games challenge. It's actually only 10 games. Dude, 20 games challenge, look inside 10 games.
What?
Yep. Well, it's because like there's like 10 games and each of them has 2 choices, so it's 20 games, but it's, you know. Random range 360 versus 180 to 480 or so, we'll say. That may be funny. That may be funny. He may go from like spinning a little bit to like spinning hella fast. Yeah, he does. He kind of does. He's a little funky with it. JW, can you look at this, please?
A second. I'm looking. There we go. It's fire.
I love the way that he doesn't tumble in any way that makes sense. He kind of just tumbles. And it's like, that's kind of exactly what you want from him to be, like, just a goober. He's so stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely think...
Oh, dude, that was sick! Sorry, what'd you say?
I think he should still slow down a little bit more.
Okay.
He should come to, like, close to a stop.
Which part?
Before recovering, because it's really hard to tell. His deceleration should be a lot higher.
I see.
Like, he should slow down really fast.
Yeah,
so that way he can kind of just, like, bounce to a stop and
bounce
then
to
get
a...
back up.
Sorry, my fault. Where's this thing? Yeah, I could do like this and then make the friction like quite a bit higher, so that he actually does lose most of his velocity whenever he bounces. Ooh, that was like funky.
Very interesting.
Very much so. Oh, where the fuck did you go? Oh, there you go. Hi, dude.
Something's weird with the rotation.
Yeah, it's because he's colliding many times over and over.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know this is called friction strength. Did I actually mean friction strength whenever I set this? Like, does he... Like, does it mean friction or does it mean no friction? Because I can't tell. I'm thinking it means...
Is there a way to, like, make him decelerate in the air? Because, like, right now he has, like, very high air movement.
Sorry, what was your question?
Is there a way to make him, like, decelerate through the air or not?
Oh, I could just, like, make him not, like, have much acceleration whenever he actually bounces off the wall.
Yeah, that's probably better.
Well, that's... Ooh, that looked kind of terrible.
Like, maybe less.
Yeah, ignore him, like, flailing around on the ground. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm worried about it so much right now.
He's worried about it so much. What did I have this at before? Was it 0.25? It was 0.5. Okay, I see. Let's try like a 0.3, so that whenever he like bounces off the wall, like already he loses most of that speed. Honestly, I think that's kind of fine, to be honest, to have him go from like not moving, or like to have him go from like kind of tumbling into like flying around again. I think that's fine.
Yeah. And we could probably set his rotation based on his velocity.
So
like if he's moving right, he'll rotate right.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, yeah. I just have him like yeah, you're right.
But I guess it also depends on what he's hitting now that I think about it, but we can try that. That's better at least, yeah. I would also make him rotate on his first hit, if that's possible.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's funny because this is the same code that the fucking player uses, by the way.
That's very funny.
But the player doesn't have any of these things enabled, so he just, like, does normal player stuff.
Yeah, that's much better. Oh, interesting.
I think it's because he hit the corner. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got the dead
That's definitely better, yeah. I like that.
Dude, you know, he's kind of sick with it. That's so funny.
Now we see like some particles or something.
Oh, whenever he hits the wall and he
just
just poof. What are all those numbers on the left? That's his
some kind of sound.
I believe I have that set to his rotation. I think it's printing out what his
You
rotation
probably just
is
use like one of the
reading.
Kenny impact sounds for the sound.
Probably. I'll leave that for you.
Okay.
I'll just put like a little
Then,
export in here.
yeah.
It's
Yeah, that works.
export var wall sound.
Yeah. Here, let me put that in my to-do list somewhere.
Oh, don't worry, you don't need to. I'm preloading in the explosion sound, so you're gonna know that it's happening.
Okay, thank you. Honestly, that's actually a good idea. Wherever there's a sound that I need to add, just put the most annoying sound ever and I will instantly change it.
Wait, you're so right.
Hello. Hello.
Real sound.
Yeah, real. Audio stream or audio manager. Play. Sound, random pitch, spatial, wall, sound, position, global position, pitch range. Sure, all these are default, right? All these can be default. I didn't play it, by the way. Also, I don't know if your question was like, what are the numbers on the left, or like what's printing them. I would recommend for anyone who's making a game to put debug tools in, and one of the debug tools I added to this game was an on-screen console, so that you don't have to tab out and check the output every single time something happens. Very, very big fan of it. Hey, he's not playing the sound. Is it because I thought you fixed all of these, this motherfucker. The default volume for this is 0.
Worry about it.
Whatever, dude. Oh, you were wondering what the numbers meant? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Tis but a rotation in space, I think. Let me actually check. I'm sure that it's being printed somewhere. I've been recently. Ragdoll driver? Yeah. So it's just what the rotation of the body is. It's just that it's in radians, so it doesn't look like anything meaningful, but if I put it in degrees, it'll probably look like numbers you're more familiar with.
Hello.
Yeah, that's like a bit more. Also, that's funny. It does.
Hello.
JW, can you, I'm gonna pause my music. Can you?
Give me a sec.
Hello. Hello.
The random variation. So peak.
Dude, I don't know if I'll ever make that sound again in my life, and if I don't, I'll be so sad. I'm mogging myself constantly, dude.
It's beautiful.
I'm gonna make the audio
Thank you,
variation like
friend.
really high now because I want to see what that's like.
Oh. It's gonna be so bad.
Hello.
Kind of fire. Okay. Here, we're done with that. Oh, damn, that one actually like kind of hurt a little bit. Oh shit, dude, he's... Oh, dude, look at him go! Dude, he's rolling weird right now. That's kind of sick.
Very nice.
Do you want to know why he's doing that? Because I know why he's doing
No,
that.
I don't.
He's doing that because, I have an await right here. And I saved the file. Which
The real question is, are you adding a spiky variant with permanent contact damage? No, we are not doing that.
Ooh, hold on.
We're avoiding contact damage as
We are
much as
kind of,
possible.
yeah, we are kind of avoiding contact damage. Contact damage
If
is
there
like...
is an enemy with contact damage, though, it will be covered in spikes.
Yes, it will be very clear that that motherfucker's going to hurt you. Dude, look at him go.
Yeah.
You should be able to hit a button, and it puts you into a little rhythm game.
True.
Just because I feel like it. Okay, so that guy does fun things now. Let me actually... I'm gonna play through and see what it's like to have that guy enabled like that right now. I love 6-8 time signature.
I love 6-7.
Dude, I was watching wait. Oh, I forgot that I put the word exhaust in the description of the rapier. Just for funsies. Let me fix that now.
Yeah, I love when Biddy adds random things and then never removes.
No, because what I do is I'm like, dude, I want to show you this like cool thing, and then I show it to you, and then I just don't remove it. Hee.
Yep. Many such cases.
Should also make this say like you don't have a key or need a key, but
yeah, we should
Jarvis
also
nuked him
remove
first home 67
that
times.
At some point
That's true. Oh yeah, I was watching a Deadlock video earlier.
before we use it.
Like,
or
apologies.
you could just add like,
Oh
key drops.
shit! Oh, that's the worm. Hello, worm. I was like, what the fuck is that box moving towards me?
Yeah.
It was the fucking worm. I forgot that he had that. Look at him go, dude.
Honestly, that does make it kind of nice. You can see him.
Oh, dude, they are... Yeah, that gun is squishy. What the fuck? That is nice. I like that. Do all the guns squishy now?
Most of them.
I really
don't
do think that we
they
should
all
make
do.
some way to... Like, just tell something like, yo, dog, I want you to squish. Like, just squish.
Yeah, probably. I was thinking some of the pistols don't because it was harder. Or it wasn't harder, I was lazy and didn't do them because it's not as noticeable. I really like it on the op. I don't think that one does. Yeah, that one. It definitely does. It 100% doesn't.
Oh, it looks like it squishes
does
to
not.
me.
I'm gonna blow you up.
What? It's the new card. Dude, it's actually so nice that I was like, oh man, why hasn't the level ended? Surprise, bitch. Because of this dude right here. And I can tell where he's at. Because there's a little arrow that tells me. It's like, yo, dog. There's a dickhead here. Could honestly just make it... Instead of it being in the corner, could make it like in the area around the player. Like a little circle around him. You know what I mean? Or no?
Wait, for what? Sorry.
For the enemy indicator, how it's like up there.
Oh.
Instead, it could be like Like it would be like
Yeah.
like right here or something, and then as he like moves, it could like rotate around him to face the correct direction. I don't know though.
Probably like a medium-sized circle, basically a circle that fits in the middle of the screen that doesn't isn't covered up by any UI elements would probably be
Yeah,
best.
because I'm like right here is getting covered up by this. Also, I noticed
Yeah.
that it would get
That
covered
is
up
true.
by the cards at the bottom as well. Sometimes.
Yeah. So
Let
like
me up
something in the
tile
middle
map,
would
let me
probably
up the
work.
tile
Good.
map. Let me up the tile map, please. I'm climbing. I'm climbing. I'll get there eventually. There we go. Yeah, so that gets covered by the cards right there. Kinda. It's funny how, I guess it doesn't get covered by the cards. It does. It's kind of funny that I coded it this way, that I didn't even think about it, but this actually doesn't get affected by the world scaling. So if I set this to, you know, the shitty version, this is still full pixel size.
Yeah.
I don't
that's
know.
Good.
You fine with that?
Yes,
Okay.
that's fine. Anything that's like UI that isn't like in the world should
Yeah.
not be affected.
Fair enough. Dude, those webs look fucking sick, by the way, with this pixelated filter on it. I actually, like, love that.
They look okay.
I really do like the way this game looks with the pixelated filter on it sometimes. Oh, and you know what? I can even try, not this guy. That guy we know is fine. Mrrp. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear that he's going to kill you.
Hello.
And then
Yeah.
worm enemy.
Did you add any other ones, or is it
Yeah,
just,
worm enemy.
just those two? Right.
Oh, just
Yeah.
those two. Yeah. And they should also potentially merge together. Yeah, they do.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Are there secret rooms on the map? JW, are we secret rooming? Are we secret room pilled?
Not currently.
Well, we don't currently, yes. Are we going to? 'Cause I don't know.
I don't know. What's the secret?
That's true. The secret is,
I really don't like how Gungeon does secret rooms.
don't
to be honest.
either, for the most part. Isaac is kind of nice because you get... I don't really know how...
I don't know how Isaac does.
I don't either, is the thing. But you kind of just get a feel for it. You're just like, yeah, there's a secret room here. And then you just like bomb it. And it's like, oh yeah, that's a secret room. And I don't get it. But yeah, Gungeon's rooms are fine once you get a gun that can like pop the wall. But at that point, it's just kind of annoying to walk around and shoot the walls. Then you waste
Yeah.
ammo. Or not a waste, you spend ammo to whatever. But like, yeah, I don't know. I do not know.
I'm trying to think if there'd be some way to indicate that like the worm goes through the ground. Because like they have the same indicator, but they act differently, is what I'm thinking. So like the flying guy has the
Yeah. I was
Big,
also
long
thinking, I think the
indicator.
worm should probably be changed as well.
yes, definitely. I think you're right.
Like, I think that
You're
the
always
worms...
right, twin.
Yeah, the worms would make way more, like, sense if they were less of, like, a flying, moving around enemy and more of, like,
Yeah.
they burrowed through the ground and then would dash out of the ground every now and then.
Yeah. Kind of like how the
The worms work in
boss
Terraria.
worms were they like
Oh,
yeah that too.
yeah, that too.
Did you figure out the thing where they cancel off the walls, by the way? Or
What?
when they cancel their attack?
No,
The little guy.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe I did. Yes, I did, actually. Sorry, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love the little guys so much.
No, it's actually so good. He's
gonna spawn a bunch of them, like spawn a bunch of the hives. I want to see it. In Enter the Gungeon, if you walk into a wall and your character is still doing the walk animation, then you found the secret room. Otherwise, they would stop in their place. I did not know that.
Hmm.
It's good to know, twin.
Oh shit, I forgot to
Oh,
make
no.
them local scene. Oopsies, oopsies, oopsies.
Uh oh. that does look kind of sick though.
It does look sick, but it's not
Oh,
correct.
sorry, I don't have Bitlytic on my screen because I'm not doing anything right now. I promise I will do things at some point.
Meow.
Okay, buddy.
Wow, 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 wow.
You need to knock
My
that shit
bad,
off now.
twin.
What's the biggest room that we have?
the biggest room that we have.
Yeah.
Probably, I don't know.
I don't think it's this one. Definitely not this one.
No, that one's not.
This one's pretty big.
Yeah, that one's fairly large. We do need more bigger rooms.
This one is maybe the biggest room that we have. Room 3. I hate this room. I hate room 5. I fucking despise room 5.
I'll
Room
probably
8?
read
Room
you
8's a
most
good
of the
one.
rooms, to be honest. Yeah, that one's decently large. Honestly, that one, I feel like that one should be a smaller room, but it is kind of large.
I think that there
Which
should be a
means we need-
there should
we
be
need to
like a
make all
drop-through
of our
platform or
rooms.
something here.
No, I don't think so.
Because
I
you
think
can
that'd
jump
be weird to
across
have,
it,
like-
but like, I guess you can't get stuck on that anymore. There was a time that you could get stuck
Yeah.
on this little like upward area.
It's beautiful.
You see what's happening? Because I can't.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh god.
But like you can actually dodge them. Like before you would just be like, I hope I don't get hit by anything. But now it's like you just stay out of the boxes and you're fine.
That's true.
Like I really like that.
Fuck, I got hit by a bullet that I saw and I tried to dodge, but I
That's
dodged
crazy.
right.
What if we made the bullets flash too?
Good.
Because the flashing makes it so clear that you like should not be there, and I really like it.
Yeah.
Or maybe the bullets just need to be like larger and more obvious.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, fuck. Okay, I got hit.
Hello, 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 hello.
Wait, I need to hear the audio. Hold up. Pause your music.
Yeah.
I would add some health to your Oh, you died.
I
didn't you?
died, yeah, because and it also
That's
crashed because
so
of
weird. Oh,
issue.
Yeah. I love when Bitlytic does his job. He
Yeah.
breaks everything. No, just kidding.
True.
Is their indicators always flashing the same color in issue? No, they supposed to flash together since they like combine together.
They supposed
looks
to
nicer
flash
that way.
together, he said. They supposed to flash
Mhm.
together.
Yeah. Yeah, twin.
Welcome to room 8.
Yeah, twin.
Okay. Enemy spawn 5. Up, 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 up. So that'll be 16 of them total. Look at the. I really like the pattern.
Little eggs looks weird, yeah.
POV, Cosmic, and Moaz are in the Discord call.
True. Oh, you're getting guys.
I'm getting swarmed, dude. I'm getting swarmed. Why are they still spawning eggs? Oh, because that's the new hive that just spawned.
Yeah.
Freaking Toho players dodging all of the
Yeah.
water in the shower. Damn, dude, that motherfucker went flying. Oh, I forgot to make it so that
This
the
actually makes me so happy though that you can like actually dodge things. Because like
Yeah.
it'll make it feel less bad for us making rooms more difficult. 'Cause,
yeah.
like the fact that you can survive this without getting hit means that we can spawn a lot more. Like obviously we won't immediately do that,
Yeah.
but in like later rooms we can spawn a lot more enemies without like instantly murdering the player.
Yeah, I'm telling you, honestly, like, even though this mode is like, or like this render quality is a little bit of like just a meme or for fun, it honestly does help with readability.
Yeah.
That's actually true. That's a good point.
Well, it's visually better. It gets hard to tell that it's an enemy that just started its charge up an enemy he's about to attack.
Yes, that is 100% true.
Yeah.
I think that may be a thing that can just be like a. It probably.
Yeah, I think that's because it's kind of hard to communicate that just in general.
I think we could do something
Like, imagine if they did flash faster, like differently when they were about to attack. Like, keeping track of all of those would be really difficult.
I think there's a
I
better
feel
way
like,
to do
I feel
it,
like it would just add more noise.
which is
Mm-hmm.
we could just change the animation so that at a certain point, as it's about to charge, it does something else.
Maybe it like gets a little bit larger. Or something.
Yeah.
Like it does like a little.
Something like that is what I was
Pop-
thinking. Yeah,
pop. Yeah.
because then. Sorry, what did I just change? Oh, that's the position that I changed. Oopsies.
You can make it so the indicator slowly grows to max size right before it attacks instead of making it the max size instantly. The issue with that is then you don't know how big their attack is going to be until like the second before they attack. Like the upside of it being the same size is it's like, okay, I can't be in this box or I will take damage. with that, it's like, oh, is it going to stop growing? Are they going to attack soon? Like,
Yeah. Like, what would that look like? That's not particularly...
yeah, you're definitely gonna have to make it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Make it noticeable. But also, does that update in real time?
Should, yeah. I mean, I could make it like hella obvious that it updates in real time. It would grow to a very large size and then go back.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, and that updates in real time. Always has, always will. Oh, you know what? That's actually a good point. That's actually a really good idea. Yeah, actually, I really like that. Instead of it being like a rectangle, we could use a polygon and have it so that
Yeah, and it starts off like wide and then like
yeah,
goes inward. Maybe. Thinking, yeah, that could work. The main issue there is not making it too big that like you don't know where they're going to attack. Because like if it starts off really large, then it's like, oh, I'm gonna die if I get hit here, but then it actually gets smaller.
yeah.
Which is less of a problem than it like growing and then hitting you. I feel like, but okay. Here I'm gonna resume my music and mute your stream.
Oh yeah, I'm resuming
So
my
be
music.
here. Hello,
and
hello,
muting your
hello.
stream.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, I don't need to hear that no more.
What the hell, dude? It's like, I don't need to hear that no more. I can just fucking join the VC whenever I see a Moaz.
True.
I'm actually so glad Godot allows me to edit, like, animate polygons this way. Where, like, you can just, like, say, on this frame, your vertices are this, and on this frame, your vertices are this, and it's like, alright, boss, time to fucking lerp between them. And it just does it. It's beautiful. Absolutely.
And also for the indicators, like, for the people in chat, we're obviously not going to have that many enemies on screen at once. So, like, they don't need to be like exact because obviously you don't want to just like tell the player exactly what they need to do. Gotta use your brain, you know, like, hey, this guy started charging up 2 seconds ago, that means he's going to attack in like 1 second.
My stomach hurt. Sorry.
Stummy ache.
My stomach ache. The
Probably
only
because you
cure...
need to play Deadlock.
Yeah, I was gonna say the only cure is Deadlock. It's terminal.
Like
It's
Deadlock.
terminal, I think. When are you playing League of
But who
Legends?
cares if I feel like Deadlock? I need to see you in that tournament that I was gonna
Oh
join
my
us.
god, you fucking freak.
But
Oh shit, I forgot to make the rectangle not animate. Please don't do that.
wait, why does it actually look kind of sick?
It does look kind of sick. I think it needs a little bit more. Like,
It needs to go.
It needs to
into
go
a square.
outwards.
It shouldn't get pointy.
you think so?
Yeah, I don't like the pointy.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Hey, look at that! I can just load straight into the poison level.
You're welcome.
Huh? Oh, because room 10 is still here. I delete room 10 because you suck. We hate room 10. Room 10 might opt. You know,
Yeah, actually, I do.
let's go twin.
Hello.
This doesn't look terrible. Take a look at this.
Hello.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Hello.
It should.
Ooh, I like how like it's really small, like right as it
Yeah, that's the indication that it's about to charge is right at the end.
Yeah.
It like collapses on itself. Which would probably actually be better done maybe a little bit further back, like here. Like right as it's about to charge, it should finish, like it should collapse.
Hello.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, there we go. That looks really good.
Hello.
That's sick. Could also make
Yeah,
it.
I would make it maybe a little longer.
Yeah, can do that. Can do.
Fortunately, you have to do all that manually, but
Not really. I mean, I can just like. Well, how long are we thinking? So there's like how long? Where do you want it to be?
like 3 more tiles long.
3 more tiles, so to like that tile boundary right there.
Yeah, maybe a little shorter.
A little shorter to this tile
Like
boundary.
maybe 2.5, 2.5, somewhere around there.
6.5 and 7.
Yeah, like
I don't-
between 6 and 7, you know.
Yeah. I wonder if this works like Blender, if I can like hover over this. Nope. Sick. It actually pisses me off that Blender has some of like the most usable like UI in all of anything ever. Oh, that is way too long. Oopsies. Oopsies. Fuck me. I got it exactly at the 2 tile mark. I'm not changing it. I think that's fine.
That's that. No, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. I don't know what this looks like at one scale. Like,
Hello.
That looks very good. Twin.
but then maybe, you know what? Let's see what this looks like at regular resolution as well. I think it deserves to be shown there. Oh, that feels weird. Oh my god. Hold on. Fuck. My eyes were not ready to see the game look normal. I don't know why that like broke my brain. It legitimately
Yeah, maybe a
stopped
little
feeling like Dante's 9, which is
Yeah.
weird.
You need to stop playing in low quality twin.
No, dude, it's good for accessibility testing.
Hello.
I'll spawn like a million of them.
Hello.
Hold up. I also want this to potentially... So sorry, I see there's messages over in chat. I will check them in a moment.
Oh, don't talk to them. They're evil.
Don't talk to chat. Chat.
Don't talk to chat.
Chat, I've heard that you're evil.
Chat.
What do you plead? What is your... Do you plead guilty?
I played Oopsie Daisies.
I played. Yeah.
Address us. Bro think he the elephant.
You fuck with salads. What's your favorite salad dressing?
Chick-fil-A creamy salsa. Pixelated style font with these high graphics looks off. Oh yeah, that's fair. We do want to change the font at some point because it is a little too pixelated for the game. It needs to be a
JW
little
drew the
bit higher
font.
resolution.
JW drew the font.
Yeah, I drew the font, so
Yell at
like
him.
I'm allowed to make fun of it, you know.
Yell at him.
Oh, I didn't make particles load. Oh, maybe because they're hidden? Why are they hidden? There. Oh, the green area now, it has a level at least.
Whoa. We're like actually making a game. This is fucking weird.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. There's like 3 levels that you can go to, and they like all look different. And there's a 4th that I need to work on. Jarvis, make Tempura watch 67 TikToks for 67 days. Okay. Bro, say that like it's a bad thing.
1 TikTok a day or 67 TikToks for 67 days each. That's not even that many TikToks, dog. I don't think you've used TikTok ever if you think that's a lot of TikToks. Like a minute of scrolling.
Yeah. True.
I'm like stupid. I made this like go out a lot.
Hello. Hello.
If I restart, okay, if I restart, it sends me back to this level. Okay, it doesn't restart.
Hello.
Well, that was on.
Hello.
It feels so weird having a game that like you can actually play. It's like, what do you mean this isn't just like a crappy prototype?
Yeah,
Like, hello?
it is really cool. I can tell you right now, though, I cannot wait to take the ideas that I've learned from Dante's 9 and use them on any other project.
So true, Twin. I know full well that if I start another project that without you, it's just gonna be terrible code again.
Like, I cannot wait to start using some of these like concepts in like a real game.
Yeah.
Quote unquote real game. Like a
I want to
old
see
school, like-
how easily I could dodge a bunch of these guys. Obviously, I spawn more than
Well, they don't have the indicator.
Yeah, I know. I
Oh,
want
you're
to see
just doing
how
it for
easily
like
they
just
are
for
to
funsies.
dodge without.
Yeah, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's, like,
all right.
so
I
hard to see anything. I mean, obviously there's
Here's-
more, but
Oh shit, yeah. I got the indicator
very
to like that I'm
unusual.
happy with.
oh, nice. I had you on screen the entire time. Whatever, who cares?
Hello.
Yeah, it looks very nice. I like it.
I'm gonna spawn a bunch of these dickheads.
See it, Twin. Just spawn.
Oh shit. Sorry, hold on. Like,
And
wait
also,
for them to
don't do it from there.
Yeah, wait for
because-
them. Wait for them to charge. They need to get rid of their hive once. Player. Oh, he is. Player health invulnerable. There we go. One sec. Oh shit. I forgot because the player was. Okay, there we go. Player health invulnerable full. There we go. So now I should be invulnerable. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, dude, they are a little fucked up. Just like a little bit.
Is it? I'm trying to see if something. What's
I know what's wrong with it. Don't worry. It's just that it's.
That was something. Definitely
Yeah,
wrong,
it's a me thing. Yeah.
Is the polygon not like unique or something?
It's because well, yeah, that too. No, that shouldn't be an issue. Actually, they are unique.
Okay.
It's the animation player. The reset track sets it back up like this, and I want it to instead not do that. So this should... It's a little weird, but
Something
yeah, don't worry about it. It's...
still looks wrong. Maybe not. They might have been the old ones that were still
Yeah.
there. Keep seeing some like really pointy ones.
Oh yeah, like that one's pointy. I don't know why.
Yeah.
It's
Oh, nice.
like it
Now there's
stopped
one that's
like partial
constantly
way.
pointy.
Yeah, he like stopped partway through the animation or something.
But there's never a point in the animation where it's pointy.
Is that true?
Yep, I think probably.
Oh, it starts off pointy and then expands
I
out.
see.
How did he?
I would make this the distance between that one and the full width less as well.
I can just set this up the first frame and not be. Yeah, they're. It's like kind of much harder to see. I'll be honest.
Yeah, I would agree.
I think it's
Maybe make it
because-
less wide.
Yeah,
like
I think it's because of how
keep
wide
the.
it is.
Yeah, just make it like a lot less.
Like, I think this would be too skinny, perhaps. Because I think at this point it's. Yeah. It's a very cool idea. I don't know what to do with it to make it more practical, though.
Yeah, because honestly, I do think that like just the rectangle is more readable when there's a lot of things going on.
Yeah.
Because I do kind of like the principle of it should only be where they're actually attacking. Like it being wider like that makes you think that the attack area is wider than it actually is, but I don't know. I think if anything, just the rectangle is fine. There might be better options, but
Making them all unique is kind of fun.
yeah, no, it's bad. Very bad spray bottle sound effect.
The charge time is also like excuse me, hella long. Which is maybe fine. What if
I think it's fine.
wait, what if the indicators what if they like went outward over time rather than starting at full length? As well as like
Maybe
I don't know, to be honest.
try that. I feel like that could still be part of the same issue where it doesn't really cover the whole where it is.
Yeah.
Unless you made it like what would it be? Ease out? Where it like goes really fast and then kind of slows down right as that's about to.
Okay, sorry, let me read chat really quickly. I've been ignoring people for too long. Where is this? Where was the last thing that I read? Yeah, the change of the thing and making it so it flashes one time the missile fires off is kind of a cool idea. The only problem is with the different indicators, because JW wants it to be conjoined.
Yeah, I'm just going to say how they're connected and the flashing is not going to change. Everything else
Yeah.
I'm open to messing around with, but
Also,
those are
yeah.
staying.
I do also like that the like what you said, Jerry, was the way that you can live edit code in Godot. That is really nice. Oh, those look insane. Oh, I know why those look so insane. So I forgot to change the first keyframe to not be way the hell out there. So instead of it yeah, I don't know. Ouch. Some dickhead from across the world just dove over at me.
No, I don't. Maybe if you made it faster, like expand faster,
Mm-hmm.
it'd be okay.
Like, I guess I could make it like more.
Just make like the ease, or yes, like that. That's better.
Let me also make them. Let me try that again with the wide version. Like make this like hella wide, and then have it like very quickly shrink down to the. We'll see. I think that might be a little. Yeah, maybe a little too much.
What the?
Sorry, my fault. My fault, twin.
I mean, it looks kind of sick.
Oh, sorry, my fault, twin. Where the fuck was I? Take me back. Take me back to the animation player. Where my home is. My home is the animation player. I love this shit. Could actually be a combination type of shit. Combination Pizza Hut Taco Bell. You know what I mean? Like it grows to the distance first, and then it kind of hones in a little bit. Like a 550 on this bitch, and then a 550 on this bitch, so that it.
I do honestly think we're overcomplicating it.
Oh,
like,
100%.
I feel like the simpler the indicator, the better.
Oh, 100% probably. 100% probably.
Like
is
so
fine.
far, I think the rectangle is probably the best so far.
Yeah.
Like maybe the expanding lengthwise worked a little bit.
See what that looks like. Also, making it say goodbye whenever it actually fires. I don't know about that one. I think it would be funny to actually have an enemy that used the me saying hello sound.
Bullet.
Bullet.
Bullet. Bullet. Bullet. Bullet. I got one of the synergies that makes it say other words the other day.
Oh yeah, you
And it
mentioned
was
that.
like, wow.
Oh
it's like
wait.
kinda nice.
Wait. That like actually gives me an idea. Well, not that the thing you said, but the way that this works actually gave me like an idea that I really like, which is
Mr. Krabs.
so this goes out like this, and then after a short amount of time, it shrinks down a little bit so that it shows that it's locked in. So it grows out, and then it will lock in, and then fire, mayhaps. Maybe a little bit more noticeable than that. I had something working kinda. I kind of liked the way that it looked. Actually, maybe it's just this, like minus 35 or something. Kind of like that a little bit.
What if we just did the rectangle?
You know,
I like what you're trying to do. I just think it's overcomplicating it. And also, that means that we're going to have to go through the same process for every other indicator.
We don't.
I think they should just be simple.
Yeah.
Like, I don't... Because it's like... I don't... No, yeah.
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 It's
I guess.
I'm just gonna say it's overly complicated.
JW hates you guys, is what he said, actually. He just said that he hates
Yep.
everyone in chat.
Yeah, I said that. Yeah. that's what I
Everybody in
said.
chat is hated by JW, aka Temper Cat. Just saying.
What?
Just saying.
Hello. Hello.
No, I'm not listening to evil chat. Chat is evil, this is true.
Now the hardest thing to see on the screen is actually Dante a little bit. Mostly like whenever I stand in front of that like statue that you've got down there. He's like a little hard to see.
Yeah. I didn't even figure out how to improve that.
Oh, these guys, whenever they get angry and they go into attack mode, they become red. Do we want to make them like?
Yeah, we could probably give them an outline.
We could probably make them flash, like the.
Yeah,
not this
like
flash, but you know, yeah.
Like the outline flash, yeah.
Yeah, I think is.
Do we want to make that match with the other flashes? The other blinking, like the indicator.
Oh yeah,
blinking?
you're right. Because this one doesn't.
We could do that.
This guy's attack doesn't. Yeah, do we want to lock those? I don't know, actually.
I think so. Maybe.
The indicators are
Maybe
really
not, I'm
cool,
not sure.
like functionality-wise.
Yes,
I really
they're very
like
nice.
these. I'm very, very
They are
proud of
very
these.
nice.
Like, look at the way they kind of like disappear into like dots at the end of the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him go. He's attacking. Swing. Watching them just fucking flop around though is pretty fun. What if... Oh shit, dude. Sorry, I paused the game and I saw him flying across my screen and I was like, I gotta see him hit me. So these enemies are like really easy to kill, right? Like, they don't have a lot of HP?
Yeah, I think they have 20.
What if they took a little bit of damage whenever they slammed into the wall?
Yeah, we could probably do that, given that it spawns more of them.
Yeah, because with how that enemy works, like, it's always going to be tied to the other enemy. That way, because we could kind of make it a little bit like, this hive enemy is, like, the one that matters. And then the spawn will, like, they're, like, it's kind of like, this is, like, a queen bee, and these are, like, the workers or whatever. Like, these guys will just, like, they will just die if asked for. And it's like they don't really have regard for their life, which is why they dash at you.
Yeah.
Kind of like
and
that,
then also to compensate for that, we could increase the health of the hive, because currently it's like very weak, relatively.
Yeah. Because I was also thinking when I was like, it's kind of hard to tell if you've killed the guy or not, other than like, because like whenever he dies, he goes into like the Gibbs and shit, which could be like kind of confusing when compared to like the ragdoll, because they both kind of do the same thing-ish. Obviously not the exact same, but like you can see like the way he's rolling around versus like the way these guys roll around, like very similar.
I was also thinking maybe we could have them blink when they get up as well, like the outline blink, so that way you know they're still alive.
I don't know about that, because the outline blink usually means this thing is important right now.
Yeah.
And having something like that flash would be really...
I guess they're not like a danger if they get back up, because it'll take them
not.
a second to charge again, so like it doesn't really matter. You don't need to know.
I was thinking maybe the only thing that I would want to change about them getting up is there's maybe a little state where they like rise back up a little bit and then do like a little shake before they like go after the player again, where they like are dazed.
But I mean, like, just looking at this, it's like I'm not even paying attention to when they go flying off and bounce around, because like all I care about is the indicators.
Yeah.
Which I think is a good thing. You shouldn't have to think about like, you shouldn't have to spend like 5 seconds thinking, is this a threat or not?
Yeah.
You should just see the indicator and be like, I am avoiding that box.
Yeah, and we could also make the indicator like right as they like, I don't know. I do think like something about stopping on walls maybe in the future.
Yeah, we might want to do something like that.
Or like, I could also make the indicators not render behind, maybe render behind walls or something.
Bubble shader.
Yeah, bubble shader basically.
See, I was thinking that, but the thing is then
They could
if
like
it goes through
flip
the
you.
wall, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
So I think it might be better just keep it like this,
Yeah. Oh shit.
because like then there's no chance that they can hit you where the indicator isn't.
Yeah.
Which I think I would rather the indicators like
Well, that's not
over
entirely
predict than
true,
under
actually.
predict.
So you could go.
Yeah, they could like bounce off. They could slide off. Yeah, you're right.
They actually can't slide off of walls and hit you.
Oh,
It disables.
yeah, 'cause
it
they
disables the
bounce there,
hurt box the second that they hit a
you're
wall.
right. Yeah.
It is very funny looking at them just go flying and then turn into
Yeah,
this,
maybe
like,
they should probably have like an outline, like maybe like a white outline when they're dashing, so that way you can see them if they're flying from off screen.
Yeah, I think that would be very similar with like the.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what we.
Or
could
we
do.
could also even.
We could just
we could
give
go
everything
flashing.
that has an attack like the red out, like a piercing red outline. Like, do we have a more red than just this red? I don't
No,
think we do.
because yeah, we don't. I would rather it flash than do that. I don't know.
Well,
Colors are
'cause-
hard because
yeah,
it's like
The one
you're,
issue
like,
that I
more
have
red,
with
but
making
more
them
red is just like
flash
your red, which is like
is so the issue that I have with
very
having them flash,
difficult.
this thing is flashing, which is not an imminent threat.
Mhm.
But if we put flashing on an enemy that's moving, that is an imminent threat, you might see that as like just
I would
an
make
indicator.
it maybe just pure white, because like that's the same color as like the
Just pure
bullets.
white. I don't know about that. The bullets are red.
I would try it. Yeah, they're white in the middle though,
Yeah.
which is like the main thing that you pay attention to,
But then
because it's very high
then we'd have to.
contrast compared
Then
to
I would say
everything
we would
else.
change the flashing on the indicator outline then.
To be
Because
what?
I don't know, just not white. Because I think if we want something to be outlined white whenever it's a threat, then having the indicator flash red and white doesn't make sense because the outline isn't, like the indicator's not a threat currently.
I think that's okay. I mean, I think it's okay for them to be the same color because it's like it's something that you want to avoid. Like you don't want to be in the outline or in the indicator
Yeah,
because
I'm
that means that you're going to get hit, and you don't want to touch the enemy because that means you're going to get hit. It's like the same thing. You just don't want to be near it.
kind
I'd
of.
say we try it, and if it's terrible, we can change.
Yeah,
it.
we can. I'm just like I'm
That's
theory
just something that
crafting
I
it
just
a little
like to
bit right
try.
now, where I'm like,
Yeah, that's okay. But
Uh,
I think you're overthinking it a little bit,
I don't.
which
think
is
so.
okay. It's good to think.
Nope.
But
I'm not overthinking.
Grrr,
I've never done that.
rough. Anyways, it's deadlock time.
Is it deadlock time?
I mean,
Oh, it's 9:30. It's deadlock time. I mean, good night, everybody. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for the feedback on this. Genuinely, talking about some of this indicator stuff has definitely helped with it a lot. Some of the ideas in
Yes,
chat are really nice.
I like them,
Yeah, I do really like
even
that.
if we didn't use them.
Well, the ideas led us to some places that we really like. Like,
This is true, yeah.
how this thing kind of grows out a little bit.
Hello.
Hello. Did I? No, I didn't. Actually, did I change anything else that I wanted to show off? We do have the ability to select levels now, although you guys will have seen this if you were over on JW's screen. We are. I want to work on another level soon. Ugh.
I
Oh,
already
and the
made one.
tutorial stuff. The
Poison.
tutorial stuff, right? Did you show off the tutorial stuff?
Oh no, I didn't.
The tutorial has.
Here, I
some-
can show it off because I think I have more stuff on my end than you do.
Oh shit! Found a bug.
Oh, what?
It's raining in the
Oh.
tutorial
That's okay.
because I loaded into the rainy level.
Yeah, we'll fix that. Yeah.
Sorry,
yeah.
you're saying you want to show things off on your end?
Yeah, because I have more stuff. I have more stuff in the tutorial. than you
Okay,
do.
everybody, you get to see JW show off the tutorial. Prepare for 720p on a ultra wide monitor. There we go.
So here we have the basic attack, and then it tells you here. Probably can't read it, but it says that scratch is your standard attack. It's weak, but it can always be used. So that way you know it's not like your primary attack.
Mhm.
Then you kill that guy. I need to increase the
I would say
damage of the scratch.
maybe move the sign back a little bit because the sign was blocking the damage numbers a decent bit, which just feels a little messy.
Okay. This is broken.
Yep.
Don't worry about that. This says to be dealt an equipment card. Equipping it will temporarily override your standard attack. Then it tells you how to do that here, which is simple. You don't have to worry about selecting. Then you shoot this guy. And then it tells you what all is on the equipment card. Okay, then here we have similar. It's utility, effect, and summon cards, or whatever we want to call them. And then it says that these trigger immediately upon use instead of being equipped. And then it says to open the deck and see what these do. And then we have the amazing card selection tutorial. Look at that, which will then kill this guy. And then it tells you what all these different things mean on your current cards. And then here, it tells you that killing enemies will drop souls. And then it spawns some of these guys, which will die and explode their little heads, which is very satisfying. And it drops a chest, which we need to fix.
You should make them look a little different than the dummies in the other room by giving them cat ears.
By giving them cat ears, okay.
So that is my suggestion.
Sounds good. Then here it tells you that you teleport. I don't know why it says M, it's supposed to be tab, but whatever. And then you can teleport, and then it takes you here, which I need to finish this. So I was just gonna make this be a teleporter room, and then you go on, and then you have an example. I think you'd have an example room, which is just like a normal level, except it's the dummy enemy, so they can't take damage. And then after that, I want to have it drop like a sticker pack, so that way you can mess with the stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much everything.
And almost all of this is controller compatible.
Yep.
Almost all.
Except for the card selection thing. Which
Barely.
doesn't
I
work.
still don't know how. I still have no idea how
Yeah,
it's
that's
breaking,
okay.
but whatever.
We'll figure it out, yeah.
I'll figure it out, yeah. Alright, well, we are going to head out. That is the end of today's stream. We'll be back on Sunday. And thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for checking out the game. You can wishlist it on Steam if you want. You can join the Discord, my Discord or his Discord, either or. We usually hang out in mine playing games though, so that's probably the better one to join because we're cooler there.
But if you want to like give card ideas and stuff,
you can still join mine and give the card ideas
mine's
there.
pretty
instead.
cool.
Um,
That's not true. We'll ignore you.
That's true. But anyways, I will catch you guys later. Good night, everybody.